there, guys, Jack's back, and we have twos because it's Tuesday. And Tuesdays when we do our twos. We got 140 to 144 on the old Lovebirds. That's the newest $2 ticket. It's our Valentine's Day ticket. We have 87 to 91 on the scratch and match. You know, see if we can win something on that finally. Haven't done much good on that at all. And then there's My Best Life. 109 to 113. I'm looking for something in the bonus section for once. I don't think we've done that yet either. Of course, we're looking for the life symbol also, because the life symbol wins you money for life. 5 top prizes of $1,000 a week for life. So that would be nice to find. And we got an elongated penny from I rode the, was that the Rattler? Six Flags, Fiesta, Texas. Okie dokie. No, I did not. I just have a penny. And we did not find a $10 or a $20 burst. I mean, that was a life symbol. Or a 5 or a 2, and we have a 5. So we have a win there on the first ticket. Sometimes that curses us. Could it be a $5 winner with the number 5 on the first ticket? I'm just going to put this one on the win side. If I can get the other one to let go. There it is. On to 110. That was 109. Look at that. A winner on the first one. Can we find them? No bursts again. 11 or 12. We've got 11. Back-to-back winners. And the 11 is for $2 this time. On to number 111. Burst. No. 6 and 14. Oh, we've got a 14. Looks like we've got 3 winners in a row. That doesn't happen very often on twos. I want another 5 yet. I guess I bought these tickets at the right time. Let's try doing the bonus last. 1 or 20. Well, it's going to be 4 in a row. It's going to have to be with a bonus win. No. Our first loser. Yeah, we knew it had to happen. Couldn't keep winning all day. No bursts. 8 and 1. No. And no. Now we're on the scratch and match. Now scratch and match, if you find 2 like symbols right there underneath that, and you win all the prizes. Other than that, matching number game. So we'll start here. And didn't find a win. 1 or 19. Are no symbols down here in the bottom either. You have to be a number match or a win all. And we got a loser. Can we find another bell? No. U-shaped horseshoe. 7 and 21. Nothing there. And no. You know, scratch and match sure isn't doing very good. Better turn around here. A bank and a star. 16 or 23. No. 8 or 4. We don't usually do it this way, but if we don't find an 8 or a 4, we could still get a win. And we didn't. We can still get a win up here. Gold bar and coins. No. Our last scratch and match. Safe and a piggy bank. Well, now, come on. Is a safe and a piggy bank the same thing? 4 and 19. I guess not. We did get a win. Ooh, we got 2 wins. 2 winning spots. What are we going to get back on our scratch and match? Pair of 4s? 4. Over to the win pile. Oh, we're down to Lovebirds. Lovebirds is not a matching number game. This is just to find a symbol game. We need to find an arrow to win the prize, a lovebird to win double the prize, and an XO to win 20. We have some of the strangest symbols here that we've ever had. Not that one. There's a second chance drawing on these. I will be entering them into that. Because, well, I guess just because. And we've got an arrow. We have a win on this one. A nice $5 win. Not too bad. I could use a XO for 20. Can we get back-to-back wins on these? And we did. We got another arrow. And this time for 2. One last time for the lovebirds. No birds and no arrows. We did get 2 wins out of the 5 there. And we did win on all of our tickets today. So that's not too bad. We had 2 wins on that for 7. And 4 there for 11. And then 3 wins on there of 22. That gives us $33 back. Not too shabby. Can't really complain too much. I think we may have actually entered the profit zone on a Tuesday. Not bad. Thanks for watching, all you 2 loving people out there. Have a great day.